Hey guys, it's me again. Got my Danscomp package. We're going to unbox it. Let's go. I'm not gonna tell you what I got because I want you guys to watch and find out. Take away my knife. Yo, Pooh! Come check this out! Come look at this! They gave me Reese's Puffs! Reese's Puffs? Cereal? Got my Danscomp stickers. Sorry about that, I was talking about this one. Got my green stickers. Fiend, DMX, warranty. Got my Reese's Puffs. 1, 2 boxes. Pretty sure that these are, I forgot. And that's it. Little bounces. Now for the good thing. Got a new frame. Let's see. Fiend Reynolds. Garrett Reynolds signature frame. Let this focus. Fiend Reynolds. Garrett Reynolds signature frame. That's nice. Danscomp 2017 calendar.